Hello children, hope you are well and good. Today I am going to teach you 5th standard science and the lesson name is energy. We need energy to do our daily activities and we get this energy from the food. Let us discuss about different types of energy and their uses in this lesson.
The name of the lesson is Energy, and learning objectives are to know about different forms of energy, explain the energy charges in daily life, understand the law of conservation of energy, list out the uses of energy.
Different forms of energy. We do many works in our daily life. Many of them are done physically. Some works are done with the help of instruments and devices, but they need energy to work. There are different forms of energy like mechanical energy, wind energy, heat energy, light energy, electrical energy, and chemical energy.
First one is mechanical energy. Energy possessed by an object due to its position is called mechanical energy. Mechanical energy can be classified into two: kinetic energy, potential energy. First, let's know what is kinetic energy. Energy possessed by an moving object is known as kinetic energy. It is also known as energy of motion. Examples: moving car, cricket ball bowled by a player, bullet coming out of a gun. Next one is potential energy. Energy possessed by an object which is at rest is known as potential energy. It is also known as stored energy of position. Examples: object lifted above, stone in the stretched rubber, water in the dam. Uses of mechanical energy. Mechanical energy can be used to do many works. Some of them are given below. In hydroelectric plants, kinetic energy of water is converted into electrical energy. Windmills convert kinetic energy of winds into electrical energy. Mechanical energy of the hammer is used to apply a force on a nail. Mechanical energy can bring a moving body to rest and make a body at rest to move. Second one is wind energy. Energy possessed by the wind is known as wind energy. Let's see uses of wind energy. Windmills use wind energy to generate electricity. Ships sail by the power of wind. Sports like windsurfing, sailing, kite surfing use wind energy. Wind energy can be used for pumping water. Third one is heat energy. When the temperature of a substance is raised, its atoms and molecules begin to vibrate and release a kind of energy. This energy is known as heat energy or thermal energy. This energy flows from a hot substance to a cold substance. If we put some ice cubes into water in a glass, water becomes cold. It is because heat is transferred from water to ice. Uses of heat energy. Heat energy obtained from power stations is used to generate electricity. Heat energy obtained from petrol and diesel is used to run vehicles. We cook food with the help of heat. Heat energy renders the food material soft and easy to digest. Hard substances like iron are heated to mold them to different shapes. Heat is used to dry clothes and other wet substances. Light energy. Light is a form of energy which travels in the form of wave. It contains a particle called photon, which are the minute packets of energy. It is the only form of energy visible to human eye. Light does not require any medium to travel. It travels at a speed of 3 lakh km per second. Sunlight takes 8 minutes to reach Earth. Uses of light energy. We are able to see objects with the help of light energy. Plants use light energy to synthesize their food. With the help of light energy, our skin is able to synthesize vitamin D. Electricity can be produced with the help of light energy. Next one is electrical energy. We know that all things are made up of atoms. Atoms possess particles like protons, electrons and neutrons. Movement of electron in the objects causes an energy. This energy is called electric energy. In our daily life, we use batteries to get electric energy. Electric energy is also generated from nuclear power plants, hydroelectric plants, and windmills. It is also generated from solar energy. Uses of electric energy. Electric energy is needed for the working of fan, light, television, washing machine, refrigerator, etc. Electric iron box, electric stove, and electric water heater work by electrical energy. It is used to run cars and trains. It is used in factories to produce materials. Chemical energy. Chemical energy is stored in substances when atoms join together to form chemical compounds. When two or more chemical substances react with each other, this energy is released. Uses of chemical energy. The food we eat contains chemical energy. Chemical energy in wood provides heat energy which helps us to cook food. Chemical energy in coal is used to generate electricity. Batteries we use in our daily life contain chemical energy. Fuels like petrol and diesel possesses chemical energy which is used to run vehicles. Next topic we are going to discuss is about conservation of energy. Energy cannot be created and it cannot be destroyed too. It is changed from one form to another form or transferred from one object to another object. We can say many examples for conservation of energy in our daily life. The example is water dam. Water stored in water dams possesses potential energy. When water falls down, potential energy of water is converted into kinetic energy. Kinetic energy of water rotates the turbines and electric energy is generated. Second example is electrical appliances. Electric energy is used in many domestic appliances such as electric stove, iron box and fan. Electric energy flows into the coil in the devices. As current flows, it heats up the coil. With the help of this heat energy, we do many useful works. Thus, electrical energy is converted into heat energy. Electrical energy is converted to mechanical energy in fan, light energy in bulb, and sound energy in computer. Third example is driving a car. We use fuel in the form of petrol or diesel or gas to run vehicles. When this fuel burns in the engine, chemical energy is converted into heat energy. Burning fuel produces hot gases which pushes the piston in the engine to move the vehicle. Thus, heat energy is converted into mechanical energy. One picture represents the conservation of energy. We need chemical energy to do work. As the chemical reaction occurs, electrons carry electrical energy through a wire in the external circuit. Thus, chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. In electric bulb, electrical energy is converted into light energy. Children, hope you all understand this lesson. Thank you and bye, children.